Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm from break. Shimaga Butembi. But Shimano can hold room at my house. Because my husband is back, I needed to go and say hi. You know, I miss him so much. So major opportunity. You know, in this country they honor military people a lot, so they know I have not seen my husband for a long time. So I told them I'm going home to just, you know, give my husband a hug. They say yes, of course, you know. So they will always permit you to do that. Even they said, do I want to go home? And I say no, I just want to go there and see him, then I'll be back. They said okay, why not? So now I'm on my way. Which I will return back to work. Anyway, I saw that this fool Anna or chia stroke, the one that is defending Udele, the one that you will alone the court Unyara. That one Sokomano the court Unyara, everybody that Dikina Harega Megamu, ya Sojaya lives. I heard that you came out and you was saying everything that Mama Debi she put the thing that they should disregard everything that I said. You see why you guys are running helter skelter because I'm giving you guys the truth. Did I hear that this picture that police people got it from Udele's phone? You are a blatant liar. You are a pathological bloody sucking demon. That's who you are. And you know that you are straight up, you are lying. So you came out to counter whatever what I said. You know I'm telling you the truth. You say that everything I said are all lie. You are the one that is lying. I will keep exposing you now. You see how Udele na no case in the matter can get no case Udele. I will mock Udele to Udele enter his early grave. And what Udele has become my daily bread. Okay? I know you guys forget so soon. But Ogechi, I have a very retentive memory. I don't forget easily. I can recall, I can remember every second, every minute how Udele for many people lied and lied. Wait, oh, are you angry that I brought her to Udele's daughter? You must be a bloody I'm coming for this program, but I just want to give a little hint. Udele that brought her to my own daughter and said that I had imbecile children. You was on the comment section supporting Udele. Who Udele no mumari ke kama. Udele men abandon. No mumu that is schooling private school but that has almost how much in the account from the day I get back to them. Oh my God, what a future that this thing arike kama. Ashimamado hakuwoki. You see how long can people go? Amado hamawoki. May you never die well. May you never see the day of time. Udele came out and started accusing that my precious children. Where were you? Only Udele that I will not bring out and mock the child in the same way. Are you okay? You was busy supporting Udele when Udele was mocking my kids, mocking my children, calling them imbecile. Know you fully well that I did not give back to any imbecile. Mocking, humiliating my kids. And you are talking about Udele daughter. You must be a bloody sucking demon. Oh, you said as Udele they called her. They started calling her. Don't grant an interview and they just want to use you as caricature. Let me tell you, you can't stop my movement. I will do anything. I mean everything possible today. This is how I fight though. I fight to destroy. You never see anything. You're just glavant now. Did I hear that Ogechi will not come back to Nigeria? Look at her no here. Look at an imbecile talking. A man in I can decide to end here. Listen to me. But to say you've been in UK, have you stepped your foot in Nigeria? I don't need to go to Nigeria. If I decide not to step my foot into Nigeria, when I get you think say you the grace? You guys, we are gathering Udele. I was mocking my children, calling them imbecile, calling my precious gifts imbecile. But today we are more dumb poor everywhere. This picture take southeast gonna take this speech with also was a diaper for a day. Amado Hamaburugeni. In a I'm mocking a child. May thunder fire you. May you live to bury all your children. May you live to Mugini. Who the fuck are you? And that smelling thing I called Udele. You never see anything, no? You go feel him. He put a baby explain. He can explain every day. If I met you like honey motors, look at this criminal, this bandits, this criminal actually to Nigeria. Come back to Nigeria. Look at an idiot. If the case is important to me, that she go to Nigeria. Look at an idiot who tell her that you claim to be your friend, but you cannot fulfill, you cannot do whatever it takes to go to Nigeria. You see how little you reason? You see how little you reason? You imbecile no. May the thunder that strike once, may it strike you and devour you. Ashemamato hamabuki. And I got put a joy in Udele. And I discuss my children. And I discuss my innocent case. Who the fuck is this thing that is suffering in Nigeria and one wire? This thing ain't my future. This bomb by mistake ain't my future to compare with my kids. Who the fuck is this thing? To compare with my kids. Imbecile. Oh. Excuse me. So on a pen uno. Okay. Okay. Listen to me. If I get hold of your kids, let me know what I'm going to do. You cannot even reproduce. You cannot reproduce more or less of producing anything. Oh, you think I'm gullible like millions of people that forget easily? I don't forget, oh. I do not forget. Even when I'm silent, not responding to you, I'm more deadly. If I silent and ignore you, I can make you. When I'm silent on your case, I will take your life away from you. I'm replying you because but when I'm silent on your case, and I will work towards it to make sure you pay. You don't know me. Don't mess with me. Go and save my video, Makechi. When I'm replying to you, but when I'm silent on your case, I'm give every means to take you away. Yes. Get the part where. So you are an Udele brought out my children. Udele molested my kids. Udele came out online and told the whole world that Ogechi had imbecile. He was busy, joined Udele. Udele now want to see my kids. You're talking about this thing that has no future? You're talking about this trash. This smelling trash. Don't pour somewhere with future. You're talking about this thing? You're talking about this trash. Where there is no guardian. You're talking about this thing. Ashim chibezebe. Ashim elikwe babuoki. Ashim kim wanwi here. Oh. So you guys have been devouring my kids. Labeling things that never existed. Yawuru this amunu nano chineke progono. Yawuru this thing. Uni that hanky panky amado hamabuokunu. Chibeziel, pray that I will never jam that your thing name on mansion. Mehihe, Mehihe. Gamma, that when you are fighting with people, you stay away from their children. You stay away from their precious gifts. 9 months. Lep on them 3 good days. Each of my kids. And the guy I'm not there. Not what I'm Get think that I will mess it. You are even lucky I am not going far. You know, because of this thing, this girl you are a bastard. You are a definition of a useless thing. That's what you are. Look at how low they can go. Oh, really? Udele that keep on bringing my case to the timelights. Insulting my innocent children that has nothing to do with Udele. Calling my not for him person. Gano no na support here. We work in our water. Look at how little came up walana. Look at how little this one of the 8 years old to tell you that people have started devouring her because someone a useless father like Udele. Because Udele is not competent enough to take care of any child. Look at early puberty. At this 8 years. And I'm all like, Chineke Pogonu. May the gods of the river walking war. Devouring that all. Look at this criminal. This punk criminal, this bandit that cannot step his feet into Nigeria. Edgy, and you want cage ganon, they are not like a show me. You know, payback is a bitch. You guys have started thinking about every do de broom, every do de la no, no, imbecile. Every day, and you're talking about this thing, this futureless thing. You are mad idiots. You want yaro. This thing, you want yara. Onyo how water mania. Does this thing ain't for a child what anything? When how water nanya? I water anything nanya. Ashimama do hamba wogi. You was busy devouring my children that you have never set eyes on. God, there is nothing people no go here. I will dig you, met you the line here, Oh my God. Na hoka uselessness here, Jere. You don't know. You called the last mother. They will use you and mock you and do this. The woman told me, you mess with the wrong pitch. I will dig it, unegi, dara, bloody sucking demons. The same coin, Ijele again. And yeah, you're talking about innocent child. He was with his mother-in-law. Who the fuck is mother-in-law? To compare my case. Who the fuck is this thing? Iwonyara. Thing future. Nke bidoro wara mu na arega na otule anyhow. Chineke buogo no. Ina bo mu imbecile. Ina bo my precious diamond gift to imbecile. And you want to justify this small girl who beat up man. Umpire devour. Oh, it depend you. Wait. If I finish my time here, finish my time here. Oh, you don't know. Oh, it did not correct Udele. That payback is a bitch. At home, and when I'm mention anything that has to do with these idiot children. Every day, Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Every fucking day. And you dare supported the bastard. Boris is on my own to do you I shall get you will never step your foot into the jail. Look at it won't work. I'm a dorogamu like this a man that couldn't pay his house rent na England. A man that couldn't even contribute. Mbana chi how we go. Ebe ha na erase ego Udele. Idiot. Showoro Ijele na erase ego. Come on, hide your face, you smelling, stinking unyara. Onye with this thing to compare my children. Children get ogoku. Ndala. Even when one like this, he did not think about her future. God, then I devour other people's children. God, then I devour other people's children. Ori, when he make good Ishi. Idiots. But today I'm a sago kwa. I be good. I'm good na. Here what opportunity. Anything me do it too. Wage shin get we make a morgue. Eba be korobish. Wonyara. In or every day got put on a line. Ijele Ijele na Telegram. Join me, let's go and watch Ijele Ijele. Oh God. Akwata Udele anum na na-eji phone abananga. Udele ga-eji phone na watch mo the day get sent finally. Okay, eji phone na watch mo. Man dey for family ya. Idiot, useless. Ashima mado ha. He bukwa anything that enyen dubu kwa no. Idiot amusu. Bunch of losers. Useless umwoka mumiri. Men that couldn't mod spam. Dala. Stupid things everywhere. I don't know when I show the report on the page. You guys are just crazy. If the more I can say report, you check clear page Udele before Udele Lota. Do you want me to devour Udele page before Yabata? Don't even try me. Don't even wanna go there. I'm a palangwa. Just Susuma no hende Susu. Because Udele is finished. Udele is on Seruaka. He's not coming and nowhere. I should strike. Look at how you guys are crying. Judiciary system. Let's go. We are meeting you guys in high courts. You put a complaint. Which na high court will your final solution? When we get there, don't cry, yo. Do not cry. Idiot. Or she discount. Or she do not pay attention to everything I say. Look at you. You know that everything I stated is true. Udele bell to the arrest ya. Any Udele bell to the arrest ya. Udele ain't coming out anytime soon. Look at idiots. You are just deceiving the gullible idiots. Keep confused. Mama, as soon as I say do this thing, I will be telling people idiots. I don't let go until I pay back. Yes, that's me for you. And I'm Go and find out that is how it works. That is why you don't take our kindness for granted. I pay back to finish. You gave me shit tomorrow. No, when you was doing it, you thought about it. Now you feel what that he idiots. You don't get every day. Ogechi Okeke Njaka. Udele name na mo iha. Leka ahun mpe le koko mo yaje. Mpe. Ashima madu ha na eligwe. May the god of accident striking nigga na death. Ina bia agba mo na mo na mbubutere mo Udele. Oh, look at an idiot. Eh? I'm a dig, even the man himself with the lap man can plan a my platform. The man who the lap man can choose the la rota. I can plan a bele just submit his own thing. The man got walk here. Useless man into the body get jam when we no him. Useless thing. Do you think I'm lying? Any information that I know that is not correct, I will not bring it here. If you like, you believe idiots. It's not my business. But the truth. They went, look at the innocent girl. Who the fuck is this thing to compare to my kids? Did I hear you call her innocent girl? She's not, but she has no future. She's a dead, her career is dead like empire. Future. She was born by a useless thing. Okay, end it up. She has no fucking future. Ina be omumamu nukego. Omumamu nuluju. Kibaricha compare a fruitless idiot, a futureless bastard. And I said, I'm the devil put on one. Really? When you was mocking my cakes, labeling my cakes what they are not. I want you to get advice. I want you to get advice that the payback is a bitch. Ashema mado hamabu. Ashemo that amu give me shekwa no amu give the dream. Me shekwa na amu give the dream. Ka ya hiji wuru woke je ne go bia hunu. Me ibo wala go overnight. Idiots. Ibari we teremono. Ashema mado hakubuogi. In Abia, look at innocent children. Really? Really? Did I hear innocent child? Amado no London actually people like get meshiga kuruge left and right kwayoge. Each and all is English go educated illiterates, educated fool. It's chambo English. I hear pastor as a man and when it any pastor. Oh, every day, rep one place, cancel your own cheap house. Idiot. On your leg, how poor and how useless your life has turned to England. Ndara. Come on, go and waste your useless life and stay clean. I can't know what people the truth. We get the bunk, a common on you, Lotano na even a good like Gauge little thing. Gegisa fere distala hagere dist. Usually work come down to Nigeria. Ekwela ma woman. Usually work nipu akampura mu apo. And the fuamu na bili lota Nigeria. Let's see how powerful you are. Idiots. Smell it. Ashima ma do hakuwogi. Idiot no telanja no every day na pare mum na bo mum pesel. Na bo mum pesel amunu mpe. Ebu pretend wagging on a 5 years. Get it, Brianna. What kind of early pivot is this? Look at that small as this girl. Yeah, Brianna bush everywhere. Come on, F off my face also, idiots. In a big woman. Oh, say, I want to endure them me bully their children. Really? I want to endure them me bully their children. Ishi mother-in-law. Any mother-in-law through na ponyegi nwaya. She alumaya. That mother-in-law is useless as you are. The woman is hopeless as you are. And on a ponyegi that he make her proud. That he make that you're bringing shame to them. Useless. Ashim here one day useless. Idiot with no comparison. Every do de la mono. Every do de la mono. Then let him. You can't even give her a good future. Yeah, no. Every day. Tomorrow I wash shower. Idiot. When house on the past, how will happen? Useless thing. May you never to reap anything he make. Everything he make a room okay now. Not porn take care of them. Idiots. When future kebarija compare Chineke boku no idiots. What happened to molesting my children? Where were you guys? Where were you? Oh, no, I'm not the person. I will target you. If in my can get more cook it to your grave. Idiots. That time you are dying. Tam get segi pia. Even Ogechi. Unless my mom. Unless I pay, I should pay back is a bitch. And the fuck up, no the sour. Any tight gun I'm going to get my pay you again. So when you were saying it to me, you didn't remember that life went two ways. You didn't remember that life were two shopping ways. Ndala. Darling, I've been a beshaman Udele. And disregard whatever. When everybody should disregard your criminality, when you she were common criminal, a common bandit. Abandon. Lotanuna also English. So English. English with zero money in your pockets. Idiot. Come on. Sus out of my face. Some idiots. Look at how hopeless all of you guys are. Even every other matter. I can be soon. Yeah. Because you are an idiot. I'm not here. Foolish thing. I don't got to molest my children. Can I support Udele? I remember one dude that was hosting a program. You join. Oh, I'm an imbecile. Oh, I'm an imbecile. Come on. Hey, imbecile. I'm known with short memories. I'm not because I'm getting. That's why your brain is too short. You don't have thinking reasoning. That's why you came out to forget how you guys bullied my children. Ndala. Come on, get behind me or this song. Let me go and welcome a soldier home.